right now I am making alkaline almond butter. I just took some almonds and I already started some of it, and then I thought, oh wow, I better make a video and show you guys how to make almond butter. So I've already processed some of it. So what I'm doing is I'm letting it cool off a minute, and I'm just going to start my food processor, just a plain food processor. And just to let you know, I'm going to keep doing this, and my food, it's still just real coarse. And there's a few big ones in there. I just wanted to show you that I put almonds in there. And it's just real coarse. It's getting warm. And you're just going to keep processing this, and this is going to turn into almond butter. So I'll keep showing you the process. I don't know if you can see this on my food processor, but right here you can see a line where it's starting to stick. It's only still been a few minutes, but it's starting to do the almond butter process. So I'll come back. You can really see it starting to stick to the sides, all right up in here. Okay, I can feel my food processor. This is an old food processor, and you can feel the almond butter is getting warm. So I'm gonna stop it right here, and then I'll take the lid off, and you can see it's really sticking to the sides, and I'm gonna scoop that off with a scraper. I have a scraper right here. Let's see. I'm only doing this with one hand. Here's my scraper. So I will take and scrape the sides real good, and I'm just going to walk away and let this sit for a while to let it cool off. It's not real hot, but it's warm. But it's getting to be almond butter. I went to the store yesterday and I was going to buy some almond butter, and it's like, wow, I couldn't, it's just out of sight for a little tiny jar. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to make my own. So here it is. Okay, it's been going for a while again. And, oh boy, I'm just not having a good time. Oh, see, you can see almond butter starting to get hard like almond butter. Starting to stick together. So I'll scrape the side again. And Dr. Young talks about almonds as the one nut that is alkaline. I was just going to have some celery. And it was like my family eats peanut butter, and it's like, oh, I really want some almond butter, so it's quickly I'm making some. Here we are. It's been going about 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's really turning into almond butter. So I'm just going to keep letting it go. Probably about 20 minutes altogether. We'll see. It's been about 19 minutes. It's still not done yet. It's getting warm, so I'm gonna let it sit here for a while. But it's starting to really get creamy now. So just be patient and keep processing it, and you will have almond butter. I promise. It's been 4 minutes since I showed you the last time. And look at that. We are getting almond butter. Nice, creamy almond butter. I think it's about done. I'll do it just for a few more minutes, and I'm going to call that my almond butter. I might salt it a little bit, and it's going to be great. I hope you are able to make this and you enjoy it. Something else I wanted to add. So it took about 20 minutes to make in my processor. Of total processing time, and it's a little warm right now, but that's how long it took for me. So in 20 minutes you can have almond butter. Just take some raw almonds, roasted almonds, whatever you want, and process them. Have a good day.